You have probably seen a faceless TikTok shorts with calm voice, clean visuals, smooth storytelling, and wondering how are people making this? Check this out. Each person have let us refresh, have 40,000 followers, and the popular videos have 7.4 million views with a lot of like and save. Imagine this can be yours. Let us check another TikTok profile. This person have over 100,777 followers, and the oldest and the popular videos have 3.2 million views, 1.4 million views, like that, with a lot of like and save. I have another channel. This is a proof that this thing is actually working, and I'm going to show you at the end of this video how you can automate it. We have this one, which is based on the Shelby. Okay, let us check the one with the popular 4.2 million, as you can see. So imagine we can just create the video one. What these people are doing is get a single video and put a quote on the front. So let us check this one. And this video are just 13 seconds long, 20 seconds long. See, sometimes I know if you are tired, okay, of creating this thing your own, like going to ChatGPT, getting code and use these videos, then if you feel overwhelmed with editing, you don't like to show your face, if you feel like you are stuck trying to post consistently, or you are juggling from multiple tools, wasting hours doing repetitive tasks, this course give you kind of a solution, a system. And we are going to show you how you can use anything and open source tools to build one-click video generator, a system that finds content, okay, create a voice, run videos, and join it together, and also even caption it for you. Okay, so you are going to learn how to use tools like FFmpeg, Base0, Mini.io, AI-generated speech. These tools are for free. You don't have to pay for this thing. With this course, here is an example of videos I'm talking about and upload on YouTube. See. Let me, very rain glass. Let's play another one. So these are the videos. So if you want to create a video like this without even trying, then this system is built for you. See, the system you build doesn't just create videos, it optimize them. You will automate everything yourself. And by the end of this video, you are going to be able to source and prepare your content without manual input. You are going to be able to convert that your text into a professional voice. You listen to the voice. Let us hear the voice again. Hear this voice again. When you laugh. Okay, let's go here. When you laugh. Let's start from the beginning. When you laugh. You're a person turning ordinary light into extraordinary rainbows. So this is what I'm talking about. It's going to add the text on it. It's even going to generate, I don't think this thing generates a metadata, but I think the one that I use generates a metadata for us. So you don't want to miss out. This is just another course. This course is a pathway for consistent success you want to do on TikTok, on YouTube. So stop letting manual video creation limit your potential. Okay? While others are spending hours on the single videos, you can generate multiple videos at once based on the channel or the social media limits. Okay? The YouTube or the TikTok reward consistently about everything. And this is going to give you the technical foundation to maintain the consistency without burning out or sacrificing yourself. So this is one of the best automation and video creation system that I will tell you. Every day today is another day for your potential audience. Okay? Discover your competitors instead. So you don't want to miss out on this. Open on this course right now. This is for you if you want to actually make it. Welcome guys. In this video, I want to show you how to install anything on your local desktop. So first thing you have to do is to download this Docker desktop. And for you to download this Docker desktop, you have to go here and search for Docker. Okay, Docker desktop. So after you search for Docker desktop, you are going to go to the first one, the first results. After you go to the first results, you will see on how to download it. So as you can see, you don't need to choose any plan right here. Okay. Just click on download for desktop. Okay. So after the download for your desktop, okay, you are going to install it. And after the installation, you can sign in or not. After then, you want to go to the search bar and search for N8N. Okay. N8N is going to pull out something for you. So the one you have to run, you have to pull this one first. Okay. You have to pull this one. So let us pull this. This is the latest. As you can see, this is the latest. We are going to pull it. So after you pull it, it's going to install on your PC. You are going to see it like this. It's going to be installed on your PC. And after it has installed on your PC, there are ways you have to set what we call some environmental variables and defaults. Okay. And for you, if I kind of technical person, you can use this code. Okay. Just run this one. It's going to run automatically. Okay. But the thing is, the reason why it won't run on your side is, you have to create this storage. Okay. Like this is your admin/user. Or let's say you want to create a new storage, just go here at your document and create anything backup. As you can see, after you create the backup, you can now copy the code. Okay, copy the code right here and paste it right into the sheet to replace the location of the anything data. So you want to know and also back up your data whenever you want to update your new one. Okay, so that further ado, let us proceed and see. So it's still running, almost like 1.1 gig if you want to run it on your PC. Okay. So after running that finish, you have to set some variables. So I'm going to pause this video for now and let it install. So that is how you are going to install whatever you are going to install. Okay. Because I have like multiple things I'm running here, like a lot of it. And even this thing is look like so big for me. So let us explore the settings. I want to check something. Start Docker. Make sure you just leave this on there. Again, .ss. Then use base engine on run a wire runner. Okay. Future developments. Please don't start this. You can just try to update the thing like that. Okay. So it's starting the update. We have the builders. The knob is running. This one is running. We have the Docker engine. Resources folder. Enable CPU. Visualization when container. And yeah. I think we have to utilize that one for now. So, I'm never. See, when I see it. Okay, that is safe for now. So, this is anything. As you can see, this is the anything. Now, what I'm going to do now is to click on run. So don't just go and run it, like I said. So I want to name a container anything. You want to start, set the port to 5.678, and the hosted path is going to be like this. Okay, like I said, you are going to create a folder. So for me, I'm going to create this anything backup. I have the anything that I'm using before, but I want to use this backup. Hey, I'm going to select the folder. After selecting the folder, now type this, okay, just this. After typing this, paste it there. Now we have what we call environmental variable. So you will not have any issue. If you don't use this, you are going to have issues when it comes to sometimes, and you're going to reset your anything. It's going to clear your data. You have to start from fresh, okay? So you don't have to do that. So click on value and click on add the second environmental variables. Add these node EVN. I don't even know. Is it node EVN? Just node EVN. And we are going to add production. Okay. And I think there is if you want to add some of your keys right here, this is where you're going to do it. Next thing is click on run. So after you click on run, it's going to run your anything right now. So everything is loading. So as you can see, now you can access this thing there it is one. Okay, runners enable, name runner enable. Now you can run it. So if you go to inspect, ENV, you're going to see whatever, the months. So you're going to see whatever you want to run there. This is anything backup, propagation through. Now let us fire up our anything. So we are going to see our anything on this local disk. Okay. So the reason why, you are going to see slash setup. So the reason why you are seeing this, is because, I actually back up my workflow. And that is the reason why you are seeing this. So this is the last, node I run before, filling the workflow. Okay. So just input your name, input your name, password, and everything like that. So if you want to back up your folder, just make sure you back up your folder. Like if you want to install it again, because it's going to actually show you here, when you want to upgrade. Okay. It's going to show you here when you want to upgrade. So because it's going to bring an update always. So I'm going here to create workflow. We want to create workflow. We have the templates. I want to use some templates. That is, if you know how to, we have the variables. You can't use this one. So insights. So I don't know why they haven't obeyed the insight for us. So this is actually one, and you can check out whatever you want to check out. We have the settings. So if you are installing it for the first time, you have to actually do something. Go to the community node. When you get to community node, I don't know, maybe this thing's kind of running again. Then just uninstall the one. So I went to install a community node. I don't know, maybe the community node is actually working again. Okay. So let me just check the workflow. Local. Let me localize this thing. Please. So we have this one right now. Community node settings, blah, blah, blah. I want to go through it. That's what we call, a community, files. So just click on browse more. So, I want to check on something. Maybe, I can actually run anything there because, okay. So this thing has been updated. Again, ways, blah, blah, blah. That's another trigger. That's some files. AI, opening AI element, basic element. Let's check the basic element. Okay. It's okay. It's working. So these things are quite working. So these are the, node you want to install, and also make sure you install this NCP. I don't know, but most people actually make it one time. It's called, multi-context, I don't know that, it's actually running because, I've done something on this before. So a lot of nodes are here. You have the HTML to Markdown, formulas, document generation, Luba, DeepSeek, Lemon Lab, the Puppeteer, evolution API download. I think I'm going to need this one. Let me go to settings. Let's go to settings. Leave without saving. Community node. Install a community node. Let's close the HTML to background. So it's going to add some node, an additional node to your PC. If we have this text manipulation about to modify text, you can even click on it to see how you can use these tools. Okay. There are what we call the node for Apify. Okay. This is Apify. We want to use there is what we call the Apify. So we want to use node for Apify. So let's go here. I'm going to face node for the Apify. I don't know this due to workflow. So there are people that are creating their own workflow themselves. They have no papeles, they have facility, the image, they work, like a lot of extract content given from a URL. It's not to readers mode. No headers, without banners. I think this is okay. This will be okay. Then check. Now we have this running. So you can just install the one you want. You don't have to install everything, okay? You don't have to install everything. I don't know what they are talking about this, the top notch. Let me try to install this thing and see how it works. So this is the node starter. As you can see, just check it out. We have this one for text manipulation, from text to binary, blah, 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 extensive. So this is just their use cases. We have the one for this and other stuff. So we have the one for tools. I don't know what this thing is actually working with, okay? So, which one do we have to install again? This one is still installing. So we have the browser layer, the file crawler, we have the GROW, the NCPG, data validation, So we want to see the one that people are using, we'll just go and we'll download it this week. Okay, so this is at the most downloaded this week, the JAT swap, MCP, document generation, PDF kits, the link for PDF to transfer image to PDF, add letters, the global, I don't know the name of this global constant. So, that's it for now. I think it's Power BI here. Let's see the most downloaded this month. So these are the most downloaded this month, okay? So I think that is it for now. Thanks for watching and do have a nice day. Guys, so in this video I want to show you how to install the Docker anything. So first to install the Docker anything, we can check this out. So I've already installed my Docker. So if the Docker is not installed yet, you can use this one. But let me check the Docker version of it, because I'm going to use ChatGPT to follow everything up. So this is Docker version. As you can see, this is my Docker version. This is how you can install it. Now, we have to check the Docker Compose version, the one we are going to use. So they say the Docker Compose version not found. So once to install it, we must use this snap install Docker. Okay, snap Docker. So I think I'm going to copy this and install both of them. This is how we are going to install both of it. So like they said, the error resolved, blah blah blah. Let us run the Docker Compose to see or report. So we are going to feed this error back to ChatGPT, because what we are going to do now is full automation. Okay, I'm going to run this thing on full automation. So first thing they want to us to move the containerized. After removing the containerized, then we have to clean setup Docker. Okay. We already installed Docker, diskette and cost trouble. We are displaying this one to provide the opportunity to cancel this installation. So Ctrl C and let's click on enable Docker. So we are done with that one, Docker version. Now this Docker version, let us install this one manually. In Docker Compose, you have to install this one manually, and we chmod it. After chmoding the Docker, then we are going to check the version of the Docker. Now we have this version of the Docker, then we can start with the installation. So after installing this, now we are going to make a directory. So this will be our directory, anything Docker, and really I want to nano install the Compose, and we are going to paste this here. Okay. Now this is the username. I'm going to change it. Okay, I'm going to change this username, and we have this address of your VPS. So like I said, the address of your VPS will be here. You have this host, okay, the host of your VPS, your IP address of the this thing you are using. How to get my IP address? IP address. Let's go for it. So I'm going to just press Control X. Okay, and just Control X, Y, and enter. So I'm going to come back to that one. So this is my IP. Where's my IP address? Then you see my IP address. Oh dear, what is going on? Where is my IP? Obaka will now come for me, sir. 0. Okay, look for something I next. I think I'm going to check this one later. Maybe this is my IP address. I don't even know. But I think I can check from my, I don't know if this is going to clear everything. Okay, I think it cleared everything. So let us go for the manual compose. I'm going to get my IP address from this, my comptable. So we are going to replace this with your IP address. This is my address. So let me just copy it for now. And just going to delete, if I can delete it. Okay. So let us move this button here. Now your hosts. So I'm going to ask him, this is my IP address. This is my address. So I want to ask him, this is my address. No. We are doing this thing as a non-techie guy. Okay. So modify my YML. So this one is going to modify our YML. Okay. Now this one we are going to change it. So we have completed this one. And the next thing is we are going to delete all this one. Let us go back. I'm going to delete all this one. So let us delete it. But don't worry guys, I'm still going to delete everything. So I'm going to actually input my password because I'm going to run anything. So we are going to change this one to admin and we are going to leave it like that. As for the password, I'm going to use 16. So I'm going to use 16225. So that will be my password. I'm going to still remove everything, okay? Don't go out and be showing your password out there. I'm going to change everything. So I'm going to press Ctrl X and Ctrl Y and click on Enter. So after we're done with that one, let us go up back and then we are finished with this thing. And the next thing is start with Docker compose up. So it's going to pull the anything and run it for us. Let me see the time. I don't want this video to be long. So almost like 8 minutes. So after this thing, you can now run your workflow. First thing you have to do is to set up what we call the community node. Okay, you have to set up the community node. I don't know how long it's going to be. Okay, so give me the require community node. Community node, because I know we are going to set something called community node. So the Docker is up. Okay, wow. So I think the Docker is up right now, and anything else. Let us run it. So I'm going to go with my IP address dot, I think it is 585 or 5 something like that. So go and check your ChatGPT. So we are running this on our IP address. This is our URL. And let's run it. So boom. I think we haven't forgot our passport rights. So the server is configured to use secure blah blah blah. So if you have any issue like this, let us edit it for you. So the reason is you are using this. The reason is you are using this this as a naked link. That is why it's running like that. So let us go for the nano compose, and we ask to inputs all call the environment. Okay, and we have to add only this thing to it, the secure cookie first. Okay, so let us get our link out there. So, and press and enter. Wow. Okay, let us use tab. So with your dash, no. Simply have to move forward a bit. So dash and your code. So you have to click on Ctrl X, Y, and enter. And the next thing is let's restart a compose Docker. So starts ready. Let's see the workflow. And let's just run it again. So boom, as you can see, everything is now running. So you can set up your email. Let me use my email in here for this. Maybe inputs the strong password. Now when you click on next, so this is how you are going to set up everything for yourself. And you say, well, let me pause this video for a while. Now here you have to just I'm actually going to remove something there. So click on get started. You know how to set up everything, and click on skip. So this is it, and this is how you're going to create your workflow. You want to create a workflow, but there's something you have to do is to let us create the first workflow. Like for example, just want to test this out. Let's go for this, and okay, you have the manual trigger which you can use. Let's go for AI agents. Okay, so let's go for these AI agents. I'm just going to check something out. I'm going to click on input trigger. The data is on. Add the chat model. So everything is installed. I don't think you actually need to install anything again. So everything you need is installed. So thank you for watching. In the next video, we are going to be talking about creating some automations, because I don't want to bore you with explaining what it's something to. Maybe you can just, this is AI, the action something, transform the you can learn that in yourself. But we are here to learn the automation and the workflow. So thank you for watching, and have a nice day. You are running anything on cloud, on VPS. Let me show you how to install what we call the FFmpeg. We have what we call the FFmpeg that makes you to manipulate videos. It's normally done on Python or something else like that. So let me show you how to manipulate it. So before we get started, you have to have your anything running before. So we have to open the whatever root you you are using. So I'm using this now. So next thing you have to do is press Docker PS. So after you press Docker PS, you have to look for the name of your anything. So as you can see, we have this Kudru, we have this right here, and this is the name of your anything, okay? This is the name of your anything, name. What we need is the name. So copy the name. Just click on copy. And now, what you need to do right now, after the Docker PFS, so you're going to press Docker exe it user root, and you're going to input the name here. You want to enter the Docker root itself to actually install this. Sorry guys. Let me just paste the name here. So this is the name. I don't know why it takes so long like that. So it's called the entertainment is one or whatever thing they are trying to say. So I'm going to replace this my name. This is the name I'm using on my Docker desktop. So make sure the space is not too much. Okay, just one space. It's okay. Now we are going to please Docker this one. And let's see. So now we enter the main Docker itself. We have entered the main Docker itself. Now you have to input this APK updates, okay, for the Docker itself. So it's going to go there and install the Docker for you. It's going to install Docker for you. Now, as you can see, the Docker has already been installed. Now, we also have what we call the YT DP for you to download the YouTube videos. So let us go here, go to this place and check the data version. So you have to use this what we call the manual flow, manual trigger, and also the execute command. You can search for execute command right here. We are using it to execute the command. So let us try it right now. As you can see, it does go. Now we have Docker. We have FFmpeg install. This is the version. Now you need to add the second one, which is your true YTLD. This is it. Okay. Let me try this mpk add this thing. Since we are already in the roots. Okay, let us add this through. I think this is to download YouTube videos. So I don't think it's going to actually work like that. Let's just leave it like that. So I think that is how you are going to install. And I'm going to copy the command for you guys. So these are the problems you might encounter on installing FFmpeg and how you can also run it yourself. So thank you for watching and to have a nice day.